May galawang adlaw, mabuhay o madayaw, pero wala ko sa dakbayan sa Davao. Because I'm here for another interview, but I saw a very familiar face because she had joined a pageant from last year, but now she is joining one of the official candidates of Miss CDO 2026. None other than representing Barangay Ipunan, Cagayan de Oro City, Catherine Jane Young. Mabuhay ug madayaw.
Hello, mabuhay! I am Catherine Jane Young and I'm proudly representing Barangay Ipunan. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, nice to see you after almost a year.
No, we met last September.
Yeah, almost a year.
Yes, last year.
Almost a year.
2025.
So, I'm quite intrigued why you had joined Miss CDO 2026.
Well, actually, I am from Cagayan de Oro City, and last year I represented my Lola's barangay in Iligan. That's why right now I'm trying to for this opportunity in my own hometown.
Yes, if given the chance that you will be crowned as, if ever, a successor, Kaloy po ni Gwyneth Jemima Chan, what's your advocacy you'd like to give for our fellow Cagayanons?
Well, my advocacy was named Light Within. It is about the importance of mental health because as someone who have diagnosed as with depression last 2019, I really want to let my fellow Higala to know how important mental health to us because I truly believe that health is wealth.
Okay, so right now, for the record, is the second public appearance sa inyong Miss CDO. Pero compared to the previous pageant, what's being unique for Miss CDO 2026 and another batch of your fellow sister candidates ninyo na banding karon?
Yes, another batch of 11 beautiful sisters, and I'm very happy to have another friends, unlock another opportunities, and unlock another extraordinary memories with them.
Yeah. Compared now and to the previous, how's the feeling you've been interviewed by someone who is not from Northern Mindanao?
Well, right now I'm very happy to meet you again for the second time, and also I'm kind of nervous for my journey, but I'm enjoying every bit of my journey right now.
Yes. And of course, if you would describe Cagayan de Oro City in one word alongside with its slogan that we know as the City of Golden Friendship, what is it and what it also resonates your personality?
That would be I am humbled. I see my own city also as a humble city where everyone is just simply living their lives. And also, aside from that, I am very happy to reconnect with these people and to know more about my very own hometown. And actually, I'm still new, or I just went here in Cagayan since 2019, but since then, here in Cagayan de Oro, I've met a lot of genuine friends, and I'm very grateful with that. And of course, I'm very grateful to have another opportunity with another big city after my Miss Iligan pageant.
Yes. Kindly invite na lang sa tong mga viewers for our fellow Cagayanons for the official schedule of activities sa prelims up to the grand coronation night.
Yes. On August 1, we will be having our billboard up on Cagayan Bridge, and also August 1 will be our preliminary competition. You just need to stay tuned for the location because it's not yet ready to be announced. And our coronation night would be on August 22. And again, stay tuned. You can actually follow the Miss Cagayan de Oro page so you will be updated.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Catherine Jane Young.